Hello and welcome back. My name is Anmol Giri from Vilas Javadekar Developers. Today I will be showcasing you the flat 3 BHK of Yashwin Horizonte project. Moving toward entrance, we have provided very premium entrance door frame, that is going to be wooden door frame. We have given you a video door frame considering family safety and security. We have given hooks for toran. Basically this would be used at the time of festival. Moving towards entrance, we have given very wide entrance and very wide passage towards entrance. We have given separate space for shoe rack behind the door. At the entrance we have given guest room. So considering family's privacy, we have given separate space and entrance for guest room. In this guest room we have provided with full size windows which will give very good and light ventilation in this room. We have also provided with a sitting legend which is going to be very easy to use. Moving towards living room, we have very smartly designed living room in L shape. In this we have separate space for living area. In this you can arrange a sofa in C shape, and there is point for TV which is going to be exactly in front of sofa's arrangement space. Then we have given dining separate space. This space is the reason we give it here, that TV would be visible while having dinner and lunch as well. Moving towards balcony. So we have given anti-skid tiles in wooden texture flooring with toughened glass. Once you are sitting in your living room, this glass will help you to enjoy the view of amenities from your room itself. Moving forward in gallery, we have considered small things. We have given ledge for tea and coffee. We have given charging point. This balcony is going to be immediately covered, so this won't hamper your privacy while you are sitting and enjoying your private time. From dining space, we have given entrance towards kitchen, so it would be easy to serve while having dinner and lunch. We have designed kitchen in L-shaped platform. This part is going to be electronics and chopping platform. This is cooking platform. Considering family's hygiene, we have given two separate basins. One basin is going to be used for fruits and vegetable washing, and major utility basin is given in this utility area. So this will maintain the hygiene of the kitchen. Here we have given separate space for washing machine, switch point for washing machine and dishwasher, and multiple outlets are given, so there won't be any shortage of outlet in kitchen. Moving towards puja room, we have given one separate space. This can be used as a pop-up desk or as a puja room. Considering ventilation of the house and living room, we have given second window which is going to be next to our dining space. Moving forward, there is outer basin. This is table basin with very premium fitting. Below this we have given space which can be used for a dustbin. You can cover that place and make it a cabinet. Above we have provided a loft. Basically this is going to be used for inverter, and we have given separate switch points for inverter and Wi-Fi as well. Moving towards kids room, this is very spacious kids room we have given. Considering ventilation point of view, we have given two windows. One window is main window which will give very good light and ventilation. This is cross ventilation second window. We have also given sitting ledge in kids room as well. So this is going to utilize this space in much better way. We don't have to have separate table or chair in this room. So exactly in front of kids room we have given common washroom. Very premium fittings you can see in our washroom. We have given wall mount commode. The reason we give this is it is very easy to clean when we are cleaning the washroom, and it will maintain the hygiene. We have also given tile drop over here. This tile drop is going to keep wet and dry area separate. Now moving towards master bedroom, we have given a space head points next to bed space. So bed is going to be placed according to Vastu. There is switch point for TV exactly in front of bed space. So this is also very spacious master bedroom. We have given separate space for cupboard. So if you make 7 feet cupboard, this whole space is going to be used for storage. Then we have given again attached balcony to master bedroom so that you can have your private space. This is again very spacious balcony with toughened glass. Attached to Master bedroom, we have given very premium fittings in our master washroom with very spacious size of washroom. We have given table, platform, basin, again wall mount commode and separate dry and wet area by giving a tile drop. So after seeing sample flat, we have came to a temple which is in our premises, and we are very blessed to have a temple which is very ancient temple. We would be managing and maintaining this temple, and it is not going to be moved from here. So right now we are at our actual site location. You can see work has been going on full-fledgedly at our site. You can see this vicinity is very premium. Look around, it is very spacious. We got a premium towers coming nearby to our project. This is our space for amenities. You can see there are a bungalow scheme nearby to our project. The advantage of this would be there won't be any high-rise building, and entire vicinity and nearby to project would be open area. We would be having very spacious amenities area in our project that is going to be in between. On podium level, we are having 2 more towers coming in future. You can see we are having our labor camp in our project itself, so there won't be any kind of delay, and continuous work would be happening at our project location. If you are looking for your dream home, please do visit our project Yashwin Horizonte. It is one of the most premium and developed location at this point of time. Thank you.